Keeping mentally active and getting social interaction are two of the most important things that you can do to stay young. Greg and I invite you to join us next week, Tuesday, July 10th, right here in Eden Prairie, for a couple hours of brain-boosting fun. We're going to learn a bit, have some laughs, and even enjoy a delicious meal. What better way to spend a couple of hours? So please go to the website, grab some tickets, invite a friend. We'd love to see you here next week.
Last week, European leaders crafted a new plan to help the continent's beleaguered banks. Eurozone rescue funds would be used to directly recapitalize troubled lenders without contributing to existing sovereign debt. A single supervisory body would also be created to serve as a banking watchdog. Key details need to be ironed out, but Wall Street loved the news. The Dow gained 278 points on Friday.
In a 5-4 vote last week, the Supreme Court upheld the individual insurance mandate within 2010's Affordable Care Act. In the majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts characterized the mandate as a tax permitted under the Constitution. The High Court did rule that the law's expansion of Medicaid violated states' rights.
The National Association of Realtors said that pending home sales index rose 5.6% in May to a little over 101, the highest levels in 2 years, and a number of characteristics of a healthy residential real estate market. New home sales rose about 7.5% in May to a pace unseen since April of 2010. The Census Bureau noted, Freddie Mac said average interest rates on conventional home loans hit a new low last week at 3.66%.
Personal spending was flat in May, and the Commerce Department revised April's gain to just 0.1%. The Conference Board's June Consumer Confidence Survey fell to 62 from May's revised 64.4 reading. June's final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey dropped down to 73.2 from May's final 79.3 mark.
Friday, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow all settled at highs unseen since May 8th. For the week, the Dow gained 1.89%, the S&P a little over 2%, and the NASDAQ about 1.5%. Oil settled Friday in New York at $84.96 a barrel, leaping $7.27 in 1 day. Gold jumped $53.80 to close the week at $16.04 an ounce on the COMEX.
Today, the Institute for Supply Management presents its June Manufacturing Index, and May construction spending data should also appear today.
And tomorrow, the federal government issues reports on May factory output, June auto sales. The New York Stock Exchange will close early.
Wednesday, of course, we're all looking forward to it, is Independence Day. I hope all of you have a wonderful 4th of July. The U.S. equity and bond markets will be closed.
ISM's June non-manufacturing index and the latest weekly jobless claims come out on Thursday.
Wrapping up the week on Friday, the June unemployment report arrives. That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of this short week and report back to you next Monday.
So please be sure to subscribe. We'll talk with you then.